Good morning, students. Welcome back. I am Srinivas sir. Today we can discuss one of the important topic, that is face value and place value. So, dear students, in the previous classes also, previous years also, you can learn this face value and place value. Just we recall that what is face value and what is place value. What is the difference between place value and face value? We can first discuss face value. So in Kannada, the face value called as Mukabele. So what is the face value? The face value of a digit in a number is the value of digit itself, irrespective of its position. That means, so in our Hindu Arabic systems have a single digit counting numbers are 0 to 9. Then, so every single counting digits itself be a value, itself be a face value. For example, here I consider one example. It is 24,673. In this, have 5 digit number counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It have 5 digit number. Here the face value of 2 is itself only 2. The face value of 4 is 4, and the face value of 6 is 6, and the face value of 7 is 7, and the face value of 3 is 3. So ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂ ಅರೇಬಿಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿರುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೇ ಅದು ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಎ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. Next we move on to place value. In Kannada they called as Sthana Bele, Mukha Bele Mastu Sthana Bele. So what is the place value? The place value of a digit in a number depends upon the place it occupies in the place value chart. We know the place value chart. The place value chart contains ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, etc. This is our place value chart. We know the place value of a digits depends on the place occupied in the place value chart. This is the most important. In the face value, the value of a digit doesn't change, but we come to place value, the value of a digit depends on the place value chart. So here I have some formula to find out the place value. Place value of a digit is equal to face value into value of place it occupies the place value chart. This is the formula. This is the formula to find out place value. Consider one example here. 24,673. We know the place value chart. This is the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. Just fill this. 3 in the ones, 7 in the tens, 6 in the hundred, 4 in the thousand, and 2 in the 10,000. Now I ask a question. What is the place value of 3 in the given number? The 3 in ones place. So the place value of 3 is 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. The place value of 3 in this number is 3 itself. 7 in the 10th place, so the place value of 7 is 7 into, it is in the 10th place, so 7 into 10 is equal to 7 tens are 70. The 6 in the 100th place, so the place value is 6 into 100, that is 6 ones are 6, and write 2 as it is in the product, it happen 600. Next 4 in the 1000th place, say 4 into 1000, that is equal to 4000. So 2 is in the 10th place, then the place value of 2 is 2 into 10,000. 2 into 10,000, it happen 20,000. So ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, the value of a digits in the place value, it depends on place value chart. ಈ 3 ones ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು 10,000 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರದು place value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30,000 ಆಗಿರೋದು, but it is in the ones place, so it is 1. So the value of a digit in a place value is depends on the place occupies in the place value chart. This is the difference between face value and place value. Again I tell you, the face value of a digit doesn't change, but the place value of a digit, it depends on the position occupies in the place value chart. This is the difference between face value and place value. So let us stop here. Thank you.